Good morning, students. Today we'll be doing chapter 3. Okay, it's in page number 10, and the name of the chapter is The Elephant and the Mouse. Okay, once there was a small meadow, a field covered with grass. Meadow means a field which was covered with grass. Okay, near a lake. Thousands of mice lived there. So, children, once there was a small meadow, means a small field which was covered with grass and it was near a lake. So, thousands of mice used to live there, which means it was a home of thousands of mice. Okay, so one day a herd of elephants came to drink water from the lake near the meadow, and they passed through the meadow to reach the lake. As they passed through, hundreds of mice came under their feet and got killed. This went for many days. So, children, one day a herd of elephant means a group of elephant. Okay, a group of elephant is called herd. A group of elephant came to drink water from the lake. Okay, which was near to the field. So, in order to reach the lake, they had to cross or they had to go through the field. Okay, so while going through the field, hundred of mice came under the elephant's feet. Okay, and they got killed. Okay, so for like many days it went on like this. Okay, so let's read the next line. The king of mice became worried. Oh my god, one day all the mice would get killed. I should meet the king of elephants. Okay, so student, the king of mice, okay, it became so worried to see all its mice were getting killed. Okay, so it got so worried and it thought of talking to the king of the elephants. Okay, so let's read the next lines. The king of mice went to the elephant king and requested him, please tell your herd to take a different route to reach the lake. Only then can the mice be saved. Please help us. I promise to help you whenever you need us. Okay? So the king of mice went to meet the king of elephants. Okay? And he told about the entire situation and also requested him to help or tell his herd to take a different way to reach the lake. Okay, so that the mice can be saved. Okay, and it also promised to help the elephants whenever they are in trouble. Okay, now the king of elephants laughed. How can a tiny mouse help someone so big and strong? But don't worry, my herd will take a different route to reach the lake. The king of mice was very thankful to the king of the elephants. Now, after hearing the mouse, the king of elephant, it laughed. Okay, it laughed and it wondered. Okay, how can a tiny mouse can help a huge creature like elephants? How can a tiny mouse can help a huge creature, big creature like elephants? Okay, he wondered. But after that also he didn't ignore the request. He told the mice that yes, from today our herd will take a different route to reach the lake. You don't worry. Okay, so after hearing this, the mice became very happy and he was so thankful to the king of elephants. So the next line, some months later, hunters caught a large elephant in a net. The elephant were helpless now. So now student, what happened one day? Okay, the hunters are the people who catch animals or kill animals. Okay, so these hunters came to the forest and they caught a large elephant in their net. Okay, now the elephants are so worried and they are now. So next line. By chance, hundreds of mice were passing that way to drink water from the lake. The king of mice saw that the king of elephants and his herd were in big trouble. He spoke to the king of elephants. Once you helped me and hundreds of mice when we were in trouble. I still remember your kindness to us. Today we will help you. Okay, students. So, after that, hunters caught the elephant, one of the member of the elephant. Luckily, by that time, the mice were passing the way. Okay, where the elephant was trapped. Okay, so the king of mice suddenly saw that the king of elephant and his herd were in trouble. So it went to the king of the elephant and told him that once they were two in the trouble, at that time the king of elephant had helped him. Now, as they are in trouble, they are going to help them because they still remember the kindness of the elephant. So let's read the next lines. Saying so, they bite the net with their sharp teeth and freed the elephant. The elephant king thanked the king of mice for saving his herd and said, I'm sorry, I laughed at you that day. I have now learned my lesson. I will never make fun of the weak again. So, children, after having a talk, the mice they all started biting the net with their sharp teeth and they finally freed the elephant. Okay, after this, the elephant king became so thankful to the king of mice and he said that he is sorry for the behavior that last time he laughed at the mice. Okay, now he has learned a lesson. Now he'll never make fun of the weak. Okay. So students, this was the end of the story. So we have a moral here. Okay. So the moral of the story is that strong or weak, everyone is important in this world. Okay. And we should never underestimate the weak ones. Okay.